Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do plotting in MATLAB. To start off with, I have an example of just a simple x squared function. Start off by setting x in a range from -5 to 5 with a resolution of 0.25, and then y is equal to x squared, and I just plot that. Go ahead and run it here. And as you can see, it plots x squared in a range of -5 to 5. Now we'll go ahead and make a new script just to show you how it's done. Start off by clearing the variables, clearing the command line. Then we'll say y, and we're going to do a sine function, so we'll set y in degrees from 0 to 360. And we'll do a resolution of 0.25 again. Then we'll go ahead, or that should be x, my bad. Then we'll say y is equal to sine d of x. D is to take sine of degrees, just regular sine function, just takes it in radians instead. And then we'll do plot x comma y. Go ahead and run that. Gotta save it. Now it's running, maybe. Oh. There we go. Yep, so from 0 to 360, a sine function. Could also go ahead and make that longer, let's say 720 degrees instead. Run it again. And now we have 2 full cycles of the sine function. Now if we make x a lower resolution here, see it's a little bit choppy around the corners, just because there's less points involved. Let's see. So with the plot function, at least the initial steps, there's your first input is going to be an x, second input's going to be a y, and it's just going to make a simple graph, and it'll automatically scale your axes just to fit every point inside. And then yeah, no titles or anything. You can go ahead and save that or do whatever you want. Thanks for watching.